Okay, so we got about 1250 on the engine and 9300 on the generator for RPMs. And I just measured 3.2 volts unloaded for the generator. So I'm going to put the load on it and check the voltage and the speeds. Under full load, it's only about dropping to about 3 volts, so that's good. The engine's still running at 1250. And the generator's still at 9500. And we're still at the 85 to 95 milliamps that we were yesterday. And there it quit again. Guess it's going to be a pain today. I will probably clean the carburetor or needle out when I get to it. But I think I will try and fight this and test some of the other belts.